Hello everybody, welcome back to Dad's Read-Along Stories. My name is Josh, I'm a dad, this is Charlie and Liam. It is springtime. Kind of springtime, kind of turning into summertime, but the stuff is growing everywhere, right? And we're going to read a book all about that. This is Curious George Plants a Seed.
Hey, before it starts, let's go to Dad's Read-Along Stories. Do it good.
We're going to learn about seeds and planting, all of it. Let's read. Curious George Plants a Seed. Jumpy Squirrel was very busy. George was curious. What was Jumpy doing? Bill, the boy next door, told George, Jumpy buries acorns and nuts. He stores them in the ground. He can dig them up later when he is hungry. That's cool. That gave George a great idea. George buried the orange juice. He buried the butter. He buried the bread. He was glad to find a good place to store food. Is that a good idea? No?
Yeah, it is.
You want to go put your butter in the ground?
No,
When the man with the yellow hat came home, the kitchen was empty. Where was all their food? George proudly showed his friend. George, orange juice and bread are not for burying, the man with the yellow hat said. They cannot be stored in the ground. His friend showed George a peanut with a sprout. George was puzzled. This peanut grew into a plant, the man said. Seeds and nuts grow out of the ground if they are not eaten first. George thought he understood. If a little peanut could become a big plant, what would a rubber band become? What would a feather become? George dug lots of holes. He buried lots of things. Soon the house was empty. The man with the yellow hat was surprised. George, umbrellas and chairs are not for burying, the man with the yellow hat explained. They are made by people. They are not going to grow. Seeds and nuts will grow. A few days later, George saw something new in the yard. It was a sprout. Look, George, said his friend, a seed you buried is growing. I wonder what it will be. Soon there was a beautiful sunflower in the yard. George had a green thumb, after all. The end. You guys know what green thumb means?
No.
Does it mean your thumb is green? Nope, it means you're good with plants, that you take care of plants and they grow really good. If you do that, you have a green thumb. Do you guys have green thumbs? Yes? Are you good with plants? Then you have a green thumb. Thank you guys for reading Curious George Plants a Seed. I hope you had a good time. I did. I'll see you next time on Dad's Read-Along Stories.